So we want to see the companies it took the longest to join the unicorn company. So in order to get this, we have to go to our transform query. So let us go to our transform data and get this thing. So for us to get the longest it took them to join, we have to know when they were founded and when they joined, and we have to subtract the both of them. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to come to date joined. So we're going to change this date to age per se, so we get to know very well. So we're going to come here, come to add column, come to date, we're going to move this to age, and this is what we have. But we're not done. We're also going to come here and come to duration. We want to see it in total years, and we can see this total years. But okay, I want this to be in one single place. So I'm going to come here again and I'm going to round it down, okay? Because till you are that year, you're not yet that new age, okay? So we're going to round down and not round up, and we can see the years, okay? So now we're just going to say this is years for date joined. Now I'm going to delete this, remove. Okay, next thing we want to see is year founded, okay? Because we've already seen that of year joined. So this is year founded. We want to get the age for our year founded, but as you can see, we don't have it in a date format, okay? So let us know if we can change this to a date, and it's not giving us what we want, okay? It's not. So we're just going to remove this. So we're just going to come to custom column, right? And I'm just going to name this new one new year founded. And then I'm going to come here and say hashtag date, because what I want is I want that of year founded. Good. And I want it to start with 1, and that is January and 1st of January. This is what I want it as. So let us see. And you can see our new year founded. Okay, if we take a look at this 2012, 2022, 2008, we're going to come to year founded and see. Can you see? So all I did was put it in a date format, allowing it to start from the 1st of January all the way down, since we really do not need the month and the day. What we need is the year. So we're just going to come here and change the type to a date, and now we have it as a date. So now we can do all of this analysis that we were doing before. So I'm just going to leave it as I'm going to come to date. I am going to get the age. Now I'm going to go to transform, so every other thing happens in this column. Okay, so I'm going to go to duration. I want to get the total years, and I also want to do this rounding it down, because till you're that age, you are not that age. So now we have these two, okay? And now what we want to do next is okay, let us change the name to year founded. So we'll just know that it is not the new one. All right, so this is like the age. Now what we want to get is we want to minus the year it was founded from the year they joined, so we'll know how long it took them to actually get to that point. Okay, so for that we're going to go to add column, come to new custom column and do that calculation. So what we want to get now is the date difference. And for the date difference, what we want to get is what? The year founded. Insert it, and we want to minus it from what? The year's date joined. Okay, so And now we can see the date difference. So this person joined, this person was founded 12 years ago, and they joined the unicorn company 5 years ago. So you can see it took them 5 years to join this unicorn company, and this is how we can, work around that. So let us change this type to a whole number. Okay, great. So we're going to come to our home now. This is basically what we need. Okay, we don't need any of these two things. So we're going to come to the home. We're going to close and apply this. So these are the top 10 companies that it took the longest time to join. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project and you learned one or two things. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button, to like, share this video, comment on what you would want to see next, and I'll do my best to do that for you. All right. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.